Keeping track of your files is very important when you're in film production. I mean, in anything, you need to be organized. But in film production, specifically, audio files, video files, and anything else that you have needs to be organized. And renaming them as you go, as you're in production, as you're actually recording these things, could be a crucial step in making the post-production process that much easier. Welcome back to the Rebel Tech channel. I'm Justin, and in this video we're going to be talking about the Zoom F6 and how you can rename the tracks and the takes in your little recorder here and make sure that you have them organized as you go. Now, this is certainly something that is based on an individual's preferences, but if you are a person that uses the Zoom F6 and you are a person that doesn't use this functionality, keep an open mind because you might find it useful. I can't guarantee it, but you might. Now you may be asking, why would I need to rename my tracks or my takes? Well, if you, for example, like a take and you want to go back and label it something specific like good take, or I'm being very simplistic here, or outside sound, or if you have like a specific sound you like and you want to make sure that you know which one it is, you could rename that something that's, I don't know, river sound or whatever it is. Could be anything. And this is very reminiscent to my previous video on circling takes, and that leaves a little @ sign to make sure that you can go back to it and understand where it is. And my buddy Chris over in Germany, he mentioned something to me in the comments saying that could be very important, the circling function, when you're organizing them later, because you can sort your files in a certain way. So you go alphabetical, and that @ sign, I believe, is first. So if you want to keep track of them that way, that's certainly a way to do it. So there are many reasons why you may want to rename things and rename takes as you go. And of course, there are two major ways to do this. The kind of stumbling over yourself and really having a hard time with it way, and the easy way that requires a little bit of an extra investment, and I mean little. It doesn't really cost that much to get this. So if you're a person that doesn't have the Bluetooth adapter or doesn't want to invest in it, you're going to have to do it this way if you want to get this option or want to do this renaming function. To get there, you're going to have to go into the menu, go to Finder, click on the F6 SD card, hold check to go to the options, and then rename. At this point, you're going to have fun hunting and pecking letters and numbers to the proper way you want it, the way that you want to name it, the way that you want to set it up. You're going to have to use the arrow keys up and down. The stop and the plus sign are also used for left and right. And then there are other keys, like obviously the check mark is okay. And if you get good at it, cool. It's kind of like when you had an old phone. You probably, if you're old enough, like my age or older, you know that with those old flip phones or like the old keypad phones, you had to press a certain amount of times to get a text message through. And I got pretty good at it, to be honest. With my little Razr back in the day, Motorola Razr, I loved that phone. I got really good, and I didn't even have to look at it. I actually was very good at texting that way. But nowadays, we're kind of spoiled with a full keyboard on our iPhones. So that is useful. Nah, it's not useful. To be honest, it's a pain in the butt. And I highly recommend everyone investing the $30. I don't know if it's still $30, but it's roughly around $30 to get the Bluetooth adapter, and the app is free on the iPhone. It's not on Android yet, unfortunately. I spoke to my cousin a while back, and he said, yeah, it's just the way they do things, and it's easier, and more people have the iPhone and are in the Apple ecosystem, so they just go ahead and do that. Granted, last time I checked, they haven't updated this app in a long time. Also, they probably don't have to because it does work very well. So now, here is the easy way, and the way that I prefer doing this. Now, the steps is basically boot up your app, connect it to the F6, and it's very reminiscent of the menu system because It's the same menu system. Go to Menu, Finder, F6 SD. Click on the little I in the circle there, you know, like the little information thing, and go to rename, and it's very easy. It's just like texting. Very easy to do. Now, if you want to rename the tracks, meaning each individual track can get a name. So if you want to have Boom, and then Lav 1, Lav 2, and then maybe even a Boom 2, whatever it may be, you could rename these things as you go. You could even rename them for talent, like name of character, name of character, name of character. I know I'm very bland today, but I don't know. Like, I've been watching, I've just finished up Supernatural, finally. Dean, Sam, and Castiel, that kind of thing. Now, to do that, here are the steps. Menu, metadata, track name. Then you're going to select the track and rename it. It's very easy to do. It's not that hard. And it renames it on the app and on your device. Now, one more quick thing. Which way is easier? Well, it's pretty obvious. The app is easier. Now, of course, if you're a person that has an Android phone or a Google phone or whatever phone that doesn't have iOS and the App Store, unfortunately, you can't use this. And you're going to have to hunt and peck with the Zoom F6 on there. Or, if you're like me, I don't really use it. I'm going to try and use it. I'm going to try and force myself to use it a little bit more to see if it actually makes a difference. But for the most part, I haven't used it, and I love it. I really do love using it, but unfortunately, it's just not something that's... I'm a little old school with my life and the way that I do things, especially with my audio. I like old school ways of doing things. They're very simple. They're very simple audio fundamentals, and I just do it that way. I mean, of course, I've adopted some modern techniques, but I mean, that's just the way I am. Everyone should try different things. That's why I'm doing this. And that's all I got for you today. Thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed it. If you liked the video, please hit the like button down below. It'd be greatly appreciated. Helps this video, helps this channel, and gets this video out to more people so more people can be informed about the Zoom F6. I really do love this device, and I really am very happy with you guys conversing with me and being kind and being nice in the comments. Like I said, be nice in the comments. I always say that, but I really do mean it. Please be nice in the comments. Everyone's been very nice lately, so I've been appreciative of that, but I have to mention it again because you know how the internet is. And of course, like I said, comments. If you have any comments about this, things that I may have missed, or things you may want to know that I didn't add in this video, please let me know. I'll do my best to give you the best answer I can. If you have any interest in getting the Zoom F6, there are links down below. That would be greatly appreciated too, to use those. And subscribing. That would be really nice too. It'd be more important to me if you subscribed if you're not already, because we are under 100, less than 100 away from getting monetized or being able to apply to be monetized. God, I hope I actually go through that. If I don't get monetized, that would be really depressing because I've worked really hard on this channel. So if you haven't subscribed already, please do. That'd be greatly appreciated. And join this really cool community. I have the Discord up now. I'm going to put the link up sometime soon, so keep an eye out for that. So yeah, I think the link is going to go up sometime in mid to late October on the YouTube channel, on the banner. So keep an eye out for that. One more thing, if you want to ask me things more directly, I stream on this channel. I'm really trying to do it on the weekends, but it could pop up anytime. So hit that notification bell and you'll be informed when I go live. And that's all I got for you today. Until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. There's 21 of them. I'm gonna miss it by one. Oh, shit burger! Shit burger. Oh my God. Go away. Get off my booty. He's trying to eat my booty out like groceries, son of a bitch!